Since the last time we talked about this, I placed an order with Amazon, and it arrived yesterday. So what I got is, first off, I got two of these. These are patch cords that have a barrel connector which will fit the Weboost power port that I can hardwire into the van's electric system. So that will give me one option for powering this. So these patch cords came in a pair. They're roughly 3 feet long. I'll leave a link in the description. And this is another item that I ordered and received. This is a USB-C to barrel connector. So this, I'm hoping will do one of two things. It'll either allow me to daisy chain one of my other power banks, which have USB-C outputs on them, to the Powerad power bank that I bench tested with this with the Weboost, to extend the capacity of the Powerad and potentially to recharge the Powerad. And I'm also thinking that it may work to power the Weboost directly. I'm going to take a chance here. And last time I connected the antennas, because the instructions warn you about attaching the antennas. I'm going to take a chance here and just attach it directly. So my concern is that USB is ordinarily about 5 volts, and this requires 12 volts. I believe that USB-C can handle more than 5 volts, but I'm not sure that the power bank will be smart enough to recognize that this is looking for 12 volts and provide it. So that's what I'm testing right now. So if the green light comes on, that is a positive result, but it's not coming on. There it is. Hey, all you got to do is plug it in all the way and turn it on. So we got a green light, so that's a really positive development. I'm going to unplug this, turn this off, and just to doubly confirm, I'm going to plug it into this. I can't imagine that this one would behave any differently, but you never know. This is a bigger power bank, and it also has a fairly large solar panel that's built right into it. So this would be a good alternative. And there we are. We got a green light there too. So that's terrific. So now this patch cable should allow me to recharge the Powerad, which I was a little concerned about because it's been a while since I really used it. I set it up well before COVID, and we haven't been traveling much since COVID, and I had kind of forgotten how it all works. But I had this adjustable output USB powered power adapter that I was using to maintain the charge on the Powerad, and you can see the panel is falling off. It still works, but I'm a little leery of using it because it's kind of spilling its guts. So if I had to, I would put this back together, and I would use this to recharge it. But that means that I would have no alternative but to charge the Powerad from the house battery, which is less than ideal. So having successfully tested the, oh, look at that, I've got another USB-C to 12-volt power output. I don't remember where that was from, but that would probably work to power this directly by plugging it into a 12-volt power outlet, which I also have. So I now have this that I can wire directly into the house system. I've got this that I can plug into. Oh, nope, that won't work because it's a USB-C. That will work to recharge my power banks, but it won't be much help with this. But that's all right. We have a solution. We have several solutions. Thanks for being here. Hey, if you like this, please like the video, share it, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thanks. See you next time.